no! Humpty Dumpty had a big problem. His favorite clay car was gone. And his room was a total mess. Where is it? Where is it?
Humpty, your room is a giant puzzle. How do you find anything in this jumble?
Don't worry, Humpty. We're here to help. Let's tidy up and find your car. Yelp, yelp, yelp.
Vehicles in the red, blocks in the blue, art supplies in the yellow bin.
Yeah.
Let's tidy up and we will win.
Square and circle, red and blue. Shapes and colors, I know what to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, blocks galore. Let's put them in and clean the floor.
Crayons and brushes, one by one. Art supplies are so much fun. Yellow box, you're getting full. Tidying up is really cool.
Trucks and trains go here. The red bin is where I steer. 1 car, 2 trucks, 3 trains in a row. But where's my car? I need to know. Under the blocks, what did Humpty see? His shiny, sparkly car. Yippee! Yippee!
You found it! We found it!
Vehicles. 1, 2, 5.
Blocks. 6, 7, 8, they all survive.
Art, 9, 10, 11, what a treat. Everything is tidy and neat.
Now I know what I must do. A place for everything in its place. When we put things back, we always find our treasure. Tidying up is a joy and a pleasure. And so, Humpty learned that a tidy space makes everything easier and puts a smile on his face. But wait, he has one more thing to say.
Roll the clay so smooth and white, give him eyes so big and bright. A happy smile, a bow so fine, Humpty Dumpty, you are mine.
The stars come out, the moon is high. It's time to say bye-bye.